the guy who jumped from space. I wanted to be the first human outside of an aircraft breaking the sound barrier.
I wish to see what I can see.
I almost weigh twice the weight that I normally have, and it's very difficult to do a perfect exit. Do not over-rotate, because if I start over-rotating, there's no air that you can use to slow down.
Okay, Joe, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go, Felix.
I'm going over.
First 25 seconds, it looked like everything's under control. And after 34 seconds, I hit Mach 1, and I broke the speed of sound.
Was that him breaking them?
Yeah. That was our goal. I wanted to be the first human outside of an aircraft breaking the sound barrier.